Sekhar. I am basically from Tirupati. I completed my graduation in Chattogram from Engineering College. Now I am giving a session on Windows phone 8 development. So nowadays everyone are using mobile smartphones. So everyone have an idea about what is the mobile application. Mobile application is nothing but it reduces the human effort. Human can done a task with very simple time, and he can access the application very easily. So nowadays the mobile applications are very popular. There are so many mobile OSs are in market: Android, iPhone, Windows, BlackBerry, so on. So now I am going to give you a session on Windows phone 8 development applications. So in that, how we want to create a new project. So first, what we want to, the tool, by using Visual Studio 2012, we can create our project, mobile application in the Windows phone 8. So how we can create a new project. So coming to here, first of all we want to open the Visual Studio. We want to click on the file. By clicking on file, we want to open a new project. New project. In the new project, you want to select the application name and etc. After getting the new project, we get two pages. This is the main page start demo. This is the main page. How we want to design our main page will be the user interface. And in this module, now initiation, I want to discuss some basic topics in Windows phone development. That is the page navigation, landscaping, page orientation, screen resolution, localization. These basic concepts will be discussed. And coming to the navigation, every application has a number of pages, a lot of pages. So how we want to navigate from one page to another page? These two are this is the first page and second page. We want to go from the first page to second page. So we want to use some code, application code. So we use that code, navigation service dot navigation dot. So here the page target page name, URL kind dot relative. We use this code for navigation. And navigating back means we are coming to the main page from the what we went for previously. So we want to come from that page to main page. We will go back. First coming back. So now we will see the example for navigating from one page to another page. Let's see the example. Here, this is the first page. This is the button. In this button, we are writing that code, navigation code. If we click here, it will go to the next page. This is the second page. What is it is actually target page. This is the second button. Here also, it is linked to some other page. If we click here, it will go to the next page. So this is the navigation from one page to another page. So next, coming to the application bar. What is the application bar? Application bar is nothing but it provides some sample icons in the bottom of the page. Use the application instead of creating your own menu. So instead of creating your own menu, you can use the application bar. In this application bar, you have only 4 slots and one option menu. You don't use if you want to use the 4, then only you can use. If you want to only use one icon, then you can use only one icon in the application bar. Okay, no need to use up all 4. Next, coming to the orientation. In the Windows one, we have 2 types of orientation: landscape and quotient. What is the difference between the landscape and quotient? If our application runs only the quotient, it supports only quotient. If we written in the landscape or quotient, then only it supports both the landscape and quotient. So let us see the landscape and quotient example. Coming to the, we want to run this code. How we can debug the code. Is going debugging. Now we will see what is the difference between quotient and landscape. Application is loading. We are getting data. This is the quotient mode in the application. If it turns like this, it automatically changes that. This is the landscape mode. This application supports for both landscape and quotient mode. That's what are the screen orientation changes. Next, coming to the orientation screen resolution. screen resolution is there. WVGA, WXGA and 720 pixels. In these three types of also we want to provide the user interface for three screen resolution. One is the WGA, WVGA, WXGA, 720 pixels. So these are the some screen resolutions. For WVGA 800 into 480 resolution, WXGA 1280 into 768 resolution, 720 for 720 pixel 1280 into 720. Coming to this resolution, WVGA is some user interface, WXGA is some user interface, 720 pixel is some user interface. So we want to create our user interface for supporting for all of those resolutions. That is the main thing, the screen resolution. Okay. Now, coming to the localization. Localization means, suppose, what is the language, which area we are using that word. In Windows Phone, suppose 50 display the 50 languages and some 50 regions nearly. We want to select our region, regarding what is that region, that time, and that will be displayed. In that, we want to see some examples for that. Every application has a localization standard basically. We have a localized string class here. We have a localized string class here. This class represents the localization of the application. That means it represents which region it is going to work. We want to select that region. Okay. Now coming to that, we want to select some default languages for that screen resolution. Adding additional languages, some default language. We want to, when creating application, we want to select some default applications. That is, if we are developing India, we want to select English as the default language for the applications. Okay, that is language selection. And coming to the Windows Phone toolkit, it plays a major role in the development of apps. Without using a toolkit, we cannot develop any apps. Now I will show the Windows Phone toolkit. In toolkit we have so many options. For what we want to create, each and everything will be present in the toolbox. So this is a toolbox here. Okay, the project is going on the line. So we want to stop the debug. Yeah. Okay. This is the main page and some pages are there. Coming to toolbox, we have a button and this is a toolbox. Pointer, border, button, canvas, checkbox, whatever we want to use, all are present in the toolbox. If you want a button, we can drag and drop from here to here. If I want a checkbox, we drag and drop here. Whatever we want, we can design our user interface by using this toolbox. Next. Okay. Next. So toolbox plays a major role in developing a Windows mobile applications. Okay. Now coming to the page transitions. Page transitions is nothing but only one or more pages in the single time. If we click the transfer from one page to another page, it will transfer slightly. Windows mobile application supports Windows mobile application is supports for multitasking. If you are running one application, if you want to do any other task, it will run automatically in the background. So now we will see the application here. How we can design user interface and some etc. Okay, we are giving a button here. We want to change the color for the button using the color properties. Using the button properties, we can change the color of the button. Yeah. We go to the properties. Here we want to select icons for that Windows Phone 8, and here the supported cultures which we want to select here. We are selecting a default English is our culture, and coming to this where we want to give icons for the application. Uh, Here we give application icons. So we give supported for type support resolutions. WVGA here we see WVGA, WXGA 720 pixel. The icon is supporting for 3 resolutions. So we are giving 3 types of icons here. And if you run this application, it's going to run. The emulator is loading, and